HGR24. What is HGR24? What do they do? Well, in this video, we're going to explore what HGR24 does, their massive warehouse, and how it can benefit you and your business. HGR24 sells used machinery. We offer a wide variety of machinery for multiple industries. Our massive showroom is full of used machinery that can benefit your company by either replacing the machinery you currently have or even getting some of these machines to be used for parts. We offer some of the most well-known brands. Machinery isn't the only thing that you can get at HGR24. We offer the most important things you'll need, things like air compressors. We may also have a few new things in stock, like these air filters. You never know what you're gonna find here, and with 14 aisles of industrial surplus and machinery, you have to come in and see this place. Could be a tractor with a plow on it. It could be a service bicycle that someone needs to get around a facility. Could be plastic wrapping machines. Could be cranes of sorts. You never know. Not every company needs massive machinery, so we also offer smaller machines. Are you in the plastics industry? You looking for a motor? We may have a few of them. Maybe a couple. Don't forget about everybody's favorite, aisle 1. The hodgepodge of HGR24. This is the aisle that you're gonna find some of the either most useful, odd, or random items that are sold through HGR24. This is reserved for a lot of our smaller items, one-off items, some MRO items. Some items are sold individually, some are sold in a lot, as the whole group of them. As for one of the things you never know you're gonna find, look at these new harnesses. Personal safety harnesses. Our showroom is open to the public Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.